Good day to my future employer. By the way, my name is Melanie Solano Ludovice, 44 years old from the Philippines. I am married with two children, ages 21 years old boy and 11 years old girl. I graduated in college with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. My previous job experience before is I worked as a domestic worker in Singapore year 2007 to 2009. My main duties here are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, gardening, and car washing, and also taking care with the youngest in the family, like preparing the breakfast and send him to the school bus. To my future employer, please consider my application because I am a hardworking person, flexible and trustworthy, and mostly dedicated to my work. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. Thank you and good day.